Hello everyone. In this video, I wanted to show you all how you can share your Microsoft Word document with others. There may be cases where you want to collaborate on your document with other people. You may want them to be able to just read it, maybe want them to be able to make edits to your document. So you can do this using the Share tool. So while you have your document open, if you look in the top right and you click on Share, you'll have a few different options available to you. You'll have Share, Copy Link, you'll have a Get Word mobile app, and Manage Access. So if we go ahead and click on Share, what it's going to do, it's going to give us this little pop-up here. And then what we can do with this is we can actually add in someone's email. If you're working within like a work organization, for example, you can place in someone's name and they should pop up here. You can add in multiple individuals. And then once you have them in here, you can go ahead and decide what type of access you want them to have. Do you want them just to have edit? Do you want them to be able to just view the document? You can also do sharing settings where you can actually set a date that they can edit it up until, and then after that it'll expire and they can no longer make changes. You can set a password, and you can also just copy a link, so anyone with the link can edit, or what you can do is you can specify only certain people who have the link can make edits to the document. So there's a few different ways that you can do this, but if you come over here to, back to share, back to copy link, it's actually going to give us that's one of the quickest ways to just get a link. And then when you provide this link to someone, they should be able to make changes to the document. So they shouldn't need any additional permissions. The issue with that is that if they share it with someone else and they get into your document, they're going to be making changes to it too. So it's, in my experience, it's best to specify individual users that you want to be able to edit your document, unless you're okay with just anyone being able to just view your document. That's also an option too, where you can actually change the settings so that only certain users can view the document as well. So that's also an option.